friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm sharing with you 5 recipes that start with a box of cake mix. I absolutely love cake mix hacks. They're so easy and they're really so delicious. Always huge crowd pleasers. So these recipes are gonna start with cake mix, but they're gonna turn out to be so good. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you love easy cooking. All right, let me show you these 5 new cake mix hacks. This first recipe is going to be some cookies using some Devil's Food cake mix. I'm going to be using 2 eggs, and you can whisk the eggs in a small bowl before putting it into the batter if you want. I am going to add in half a cup of vegetable oil. So easy, just these 3 ingredients is going to be the base for these cookies. And all of these cookies that I ever make with cake mix boxes turn out so amazing. I just can't get enough of them. So mixing all that together, I'm adding in some little mini marshmallows and some white chocolate chips. And my kids just love this kind of stuff, so it's a nice little treat to make for a couple cookies after school or on the weekend. So I'm going to bake these. I have my cookie scoop so that they all turn out the same size. I'm gonna roll them nice and smooth, and my oven is preheated to 350 degrees. So I'm gonna lay these out. It makes about 2 dozen cookies, so it's gonna be a couple batches on the cookie sheet. It's going to be ready to go for about 10 to 12 minutes. So quick and so easy. So I have another box of Devil's Food cake mix, and this time I'm going to be making some brownies. And I have half a cup of vegetable oil and 2 eggs. So I have my same base, but this is going to be a brownie, and they are really good. So I'm going to mix all of this together, and just honestly doesn't get any easier than these cake mix hacks. So I just absolutely love them. Check out my other videos using cake mix hacks, and these are just all new recipes that I've done recently. I'm going to add in half a cup of chocolate chips and half a cup of chopped walnuts to these brownies. These are all so fun. You can customize them with so many different things. So your choice, add in some fun little toppings and ingredients. So I have my 9x9 little square Pyrex, and I am going to add in this brownie dough made from my cake mix, and it's a nice thick consistency, so I'm going to just spread it out nice and flat. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. I will bake these, and they look so good. Look how good these are, and they are just fudgy, and they're soft on the inside and just a perfect consistency on the outside, and they're just so easy. Really fun way to make some brownies, and like I said, you can customize these to add in all kinds of different little toppings if you would like. So good. So I'm going to be doing another cookie because they're just my favorite, and one of my kids requested confetti cake mix cookies. So here we go with some confetti cake mix. I have my 2 eggs. I'm going to be doing the same base for this as my other cookies. I have my vegetable oil, half of a cup. You can use melted butter, or you can even use half a cup of applesauce. Works really good in these. So I need to do more applesauce in my cake mixes, but I use oil. It comes out so perfect, but you can definitely substitute with applesauce or melted butter. So I have my baking mat lined cookie sheet. I have my cookie scoop so that everything is the same size and comes out just perfect. Rolling these nice and smooth. So like I said, these make about 2 dozen cookies. So a nice good batch in these, and they're just so simple. So I'm going to bake these in the oven at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. And so now I've let them cool, and I'm going to add on some fluffy topping and some sprinkles. So here's my fluffy frosting topping, and I'm just going to spread it nice and flat onto each cookie. And my cookies have cooled, so I've let them cool for about an hour, and so they're not warm. but they are just really nice. It's soft on the inside, great consistency on the outside as well. Adding on some sprinkles, and these are so festive. These are perfect for like a birthday party or a little fun event. Love taking these kinds of things for kid events. My kids love these. So I'm going to be doing, it's going to be a s'mores cookie, and it is amazing. So I have a yellow cake mix, I have my 2 eggs, I have my vegetable oil, and I am going to just add in some really fun little add-ins to make these into s'mores. So I'm gonna mix all this together, and it's really easy to mix. You don't need a mixer. You don't have to dirty up your mixer or get out your big KitchenAid stand mixer or anything. You can just mix all of this with a spoon. So I have graham crackers. I'm gonna use 3 graham crackers, and I'm just gonna crunch them up in my hands. You can put these in a bag also if you would like and crunch them that way. But just crunch them up a little bit to make them into some small pieces. I'm going to add in my little marshmallow pieces. These are so fun for baking. So I have half a cup of that. I have my dark chocolate chips. You can use any kind of chocolate chip. You can do semi-sweet. I love dark chocolate chips, so they are my favorite. So I'm just gonna give all of this a mix, and then they'll be ready to go into their little balls to make in the oven. So I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees, the same. And this cookie, you're gonna wanna kind of push it together a little bit because of the graham cracker and all of the other add-ins. We want to make sure there aren't any holes on the inside of these cookies and make sure we're closing up any gaps here. So this is just a really fun cookie and just a really awesome little things to have inside the cookie with the s'mores ingredients. Really easy. I'm going to bake these for 10 to 12 minutes at 350. So I'm going to do a Rocky Road cookie, and I'm using a milk chocolate cake mix. And I have 2 eggs. I have my oil, again, my half of a cup of oil that I will use in this. Super duper simple. I just absolutely love cake mix hacks. They are just so easy, but they're so, so good. They're always a huge hit. Every time I make these and bring them to a function, any kind of cake mix cookie, they are just fly off of the platter, and everybody always is asking for the recipe, and it's just so, so simple. So I'm giving this a mix. I'm going to add in my favorite little mini marshmallows. I'm going to use half of a cup. I'm going to add in some chopped walnuts as well. You can do chopped pecans if you'd like. Going to give this a nice stir, and these Rocky Road cookies will be ready to go. So I just love this just filling of this one. So I'm going to roll these into my little balls and then add them onto my baking mat lined cookie sheet, which I love using a baking mat. It just makes cleanup so much easier and just makes the cookies come out perfect, I think. So I'm going to bake these in the oven, 350 for 10 to 12 minutes, and they come out so good. I hope you loved these 5 new cake mix hacks recipes that I've been making. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are new. I will see you in my next video. Hope you have a really great rest of your day.